Rua da Ribeira de Patane, and we're gonna check out those little colorful buildings down that way, as well as some stuff along the street. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this is the Rua da Ribeira de Patane. So we're gonna go check out those little streets, those little things right there. And before we do, we're gonna step back a little bit, check out this top fusion area, because it's kind of a cool little spot. So you can kind of see a little bit the contour of it. So let's just walk back a little bit, give you some context of the street. So this street, I think it might be a different street over that way. It kind of meets this 1, 2, 3. I guess it's four way, I guess. But it's kind of interesting. Delicacy around the world in this place called Top Fusion, right? There's a Patane market over that way. Grand Harbor Hotel right there. Let's go check out those kind of cool looking buildings. Got a bus here. Head on down. There's some elephants right there. So I believe that this building is now a library, I think. Yeah, it is a library. You can see right there. So you can go in there and read. Yeah, kind of cool space, right? So I believe that this was like some kind of historical thing that they kind of gave a nice paint job to. There it is right there. Biblioteca del Patane. Library of Patane. Cool in here. And to really appreciate it, we have to get across the street and film on the other side. So I think that's what we're gonna have to do. Look how cool these things are. Kind of a nice old style right there. It's like this one, these are the same, but those ones are opened up and then this one is closed. Then you also have this green gate that you can close it as well. So this is the same building from this particular angle right here. So we're gonna go across in a minute. If we can get across. Let's see if we can. We're gonna get all the way across here. There's a pension house right here. It's kind of cool as well. But in a minute we're gonna check out this little alley too. So got a pension house on the corner here with those kind of cool balconies like that. Huh. It's kind of cool. Then we're gonna come over here. Now we can properly see this building from a distance. Now you can see how kind of cool looking it is. Yeah, so that's a public library right there. All things need is a nice paint job, and it'll transform from that kind of drab gray into these beautiful yellow, green, red, yellow, green, yellow. There's only one green one and 3 yellow ones. And then each one has like a red with a white and green. I guess they all have green doors and white trim. See some patterns. It's okay, that's Ribeira de Patane, something like that. I guess it's just a parking garage, it looks like. And then we're gonna come back over by Top Fusion and you can see it from this context as well. Because that's actually kind of cool to see that too. Oh, now that I just poke that over and I can see it's just a place to park. So let's kind of navigate this a little bit. It looks kind of cool too, actually. Okay, you can just see that little Top Fusion, so it kind of looks interesting. All these roads, you know, when you're coming together and everything's converging into this. So maybe we'll just end this one right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.